Hello Franklin High School, it is Tuesday and we have a lot going on today. We have a SAD meeting, we have a Times Square Pizza Dine Out night, and we have the Athletic Boosters meeting this evening.
Let's hear more from the SAD officers.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Leah, president of SAD.
I'm Emma, the vice president.
I'm Nikki, the historian.
And I'm Elena, secretary of SAD. If you're looking for a chill and fun new club to join,
Then join SAD, aka Students Against Destructive Decisions.
In SAD, we plan fun and safe ideas to do while at home during COVID.
when we were in school, we would plan events to bring awareness to things like drugs and alcohol. We meet every other Tuesday.
This club will look great on your college applications.
If you need a new club to join, this is the perfect one for you.
Please email Miss Deal at kdeal@bcps.org on Schoology if you're interested in joining. We hope to see you there.
So remember that the class of 2024 is having a dine out tonight at Times Square Pizza. When you place your order, make sure that you mention that you're with Franklin High and a portion of the sales will go to support the freshman class. Thanks for your support.
Also remember that tonight the Athletics Boosters are having their monthly meeting. The link to the Zoom meeting can be found in Sunday's email blast, and all of Sunday's email blast can be found on the school website. You guys know where that is.
Okay, finally, please remember to tell your middle school friends and families about our virtual open house on Thursday evening. It runs from 7 till 8:30. There's introductory videos on the Franklin High website, franklinhs.bcps.org, as well as Google Meet links there so families can actually talk to the teachers live and in person during the virtual open house. Again, that's Thursday evening from 7 to 8:30.
Got it. By the way, remember tomorrow's a regular school day. We'll be running all 4 classes at the regular times because school is closed on Friday. That's it for today. Have a great day, Franklin.